Welcome to Mind Notebook. This is Sumit. Today we are going to see the different options which we can use for AI smart note taking. So we have a Samsung phone along with my remarkable tablet, and we will see that how the Samsung native uh, AI features can be used for smart note taking. So let's get started. So we have opened this Samsung voice recorder app, and we'll be recording an audio clip, and based on the content we'll take further steps. So let's get started. So I'm opening this voice recorder app, and I'll be playing a very small audio clip, and we'll try to transcribe and summarize that content for smart note taking.
Computers could be routers, could be wireless access points, and these all these devices have their own operating systems, they have their own functionality, and it is important that we look at the security of each and every asset that the organization owns. Security, architecture, and engineering. Now, not everyone can just walk in an organization and then say, let's start implementing security in a particular manner. We have to standardize the security in such a way where the security is constant for a long period of time and is consistent, right? So for that to happen, there is an architecture, an engineering phase where we are going to create a plan of how the security needs to be implemented. For example, if I determine to install a particular antivirus, I have to ensure that the same antivirus is installed on all the systems in the organization. I cannot have different kind of antiviruses installed that do not talk to each other or do not report
Now around we have
to
like
the
30 to
owner.
40
So we have to create
seconds
policies,
of an
procedures,
audio
and we have to
clip.
implement
So
them
we'll
very
stop an
strategically
audio clip.
for our security to work.
We'll stop recording. We'll use this audio clip name as test 1, and we'll save this one. So once we open this, you can see that there is an transcribe option available. So you can hit transcribe. So the AI native features will take an action based on the content, and you can see that so whatever the audio clip was recorded, it is translated into a text. But as we go to the meetings or we go to lectures, we can't actually, you know, to memorize each and every word. Or for the smart note taking, it will be too a lot of verbiage to put into notes. So there is a again one option available which is called as a summarize. So we'll hit summarize option, and based on that we will see that the content has been summarized into a very short paragraphs with bullet points. So we can copy this text. We can again go into the remarkable, and there is a test document available. So we'll open this document, and we'll paste this text over here. So based on that, whatever the content we have recorded, we have transcribed that content, and then we have use the summary options to summarize that particular content. So now I have pasted this information into a remarkable app having the taste name. So I will try to again fetch the same content on the remarkable tablet. So if you see this on this test document, the same content is available on my remarkable tablet. So now I can use this tablet to, further enhance these points with my handwriting. So that's the best feature. So as this is a very short content, but it can be used for an 30 minutes 40 minutes meeting, 1 hour meeting, and based on that we can use this for further reference. So there is one more feature I'll show you, which is uh, highly recommended for the multilingual people. So example, this particular meeting or the audio clip was recorded in the English language. So we'll use the Samsung native AI feature app, and we'll hit translate. So I have used the by default Hindi as a translation language based on our original content. So you can see that all that particular content which was initially recorded in English now is available in the Hindi language. So there are a lot of other languages are available for uh, we can add languages also, which we can definitely leverage and translate the content from either of the languages. So this is the best feature I have came across and I thought of sharing with you guys. So let me know how you smartly take notes. But the best part of this particular method is that it is free of cost. We don't have to pay for any of the smart AI apps which are available in the market. You just need a Samsung phone and whatever the remarkable Samsung or OneNote or whatever the uh, uh, applications or the tablets you use. So I highly recommend this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much.